inside there. Look at these lovely toys that you can find. Wow! That's amazing! Now this is a great day. Here we are at the place where you buy the wood. We're buying this wood to build a sandpit. Yay! Okay, you have to go measure and see how much we need to get.
Like my mom's videos, make sure to subscribe and like and leave a comment.
What are we making?
A sandpit.
A sandpit. And these guys are already playing in the dust.
Yhdessä tämmöisestä sakaa.
Jerusalem is trying to pick the nicest piece of wood for us. Yeah, is this so exciting? Ooh, nearly got your head squashed in there. Come stand next to Mummy. Yeah. Oh, me having huggies right now. And filming and hugging. My son's taking care of all the business for me, so I don't have to do it. So do you approve this wood? Is this the wood that you want? Yes, you can climb. King James, is this the wood that you want? Oh, you want to climb also? Okay. So, Shakespeare, is this the wood that you want? Gonna help measure how much we need? Yeah, you're helping. Go and hold on. Over there, Shakespeare. Go and hold on.
Don't start jumping. I'm moving.
Are you helping hold it down? You want to be big like Jerusalem one day and be able to cut that? He's so big and strong, isn't he? You want to be just like your brother. He thinks that way, you know.
Yeah, I know. I do.
Yeah. Do you want to be big like Jerusalem? Yeah. Jerusalem's a good example. Shakespeare, what are you doing with that? That's dangerous. You cannot touch it. Put it down. I've got my own builder. Paper. We just have to pay you. Buy food, wash his laundry, wax his dreads, and it's all done.
From the other side.
Are you excited? We can have a sandpit! Yay!
Steal this.
We're measuring. Nefertiti, do you want to come and hold this?
Yeah.
You hold that.
Don't lift it up.
Wait.
Let me put it in the place.
Wait, and then you can put your finger on it soon. Can't you put a finger on it yet?
Yes.
Okay, put your finger on it now. Impressive ruler you have there.
Straight.
Straight enough.
Don't really.
Yeah, don't put that on the ground, it'll blunten it. You can watch, don't put your fingers in there. How exciting! You're gonna help. Yes, you can help. It's very exciting helping your big brother make you a sandbox. We left a few others home. These little ones came with us. It's easy going around with them. Even when we do things like this, they wait nicely, they don't run on the road. There's actually a lot of traffic around us and they're just nicely waiting there. Aphrodite! Look at all the cutting. Is that exciting? And she's blowing all the dust out of the way. Oh, be very careful. She's the inspector of no dust. Which job can a monkey do?
Holding King James.
Oh, yeah.
They can teach a monkey to hold King James. Stand the whole day.
What did you put in his hair? Oh, thank you. Life is never boring. This is interesting. Does that come out easily? He's got sawdust through his hair. Thank you, Nefertiti.
What happened yesterday?
Oh no, he put some in her hair. Oh, and yesterday,
Wait, where is it?
the little vacuum in our house came and sucked up a bunch of Nefertiti's hair and ripped it out. So she's got a bald patch. And Romeo also lost some of his hair a few months ago from the vacuum cleaner. No! Nefertiti! You got sawdust in there. No, this is... No, don't do any more. No, none in Jerusalem's hair. He's got dreads. No more. Nefertiti. I know it's funny, but listen. It's funny, but we can't do that because now it takes a big job to get it out. You've got crazy hair. We need to shave your hair off. Should we shave your hair off?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll shave it off and give you a little baby haircut. We'll let you be bald.
Like Foley.
Well, it's not boring here. What'd you find, King James? Oh, look, it's a spider, Nefertiti. No, it's not a spider. It's a big, gigantic mosquito. Oh, there you go. Very exciting, these places. Hello, my little princess. You're such a cutie. Look at your messy hair. Oh, wow, you're stabbing it into there. Oh, no. You look like a little grass bug. She's been playing outside. And finally she will be getting her own sandpit. Wow, Shakespeare gets to help.
Here we go again. Again. It's good.
This is the last piece?
That's last piece.
Yay! And then we go and buy the other little bits to join it together. Yay! So exciting! This is the last piece that we have to do. And then, guys, we need to go and buy some tables and chairs. How about we buy 2 tables and 6 chairs? And we need to find some white ones. You just want to get some tables and chairs? Yay! We'll go and buy tables and chairs, and we need some sand still. Now we're looking for little pieces that are going to join the sandpit together. Jerusalem knows what he's doing. What pieces do we need? Look, there's all these little fiddly bits. We could mess up the whole store and move everything into the wrong box. What have you got? Wow, that is for picking up brains. Is that what we need? So that's what we need. Okay then. What are they?
For the sandpit.
They're the corners that are going to hold it together. And then you'll be able to sit on it. And Daddy can sit on it. And Mummy can sit on it. It won't fall apart. So what are we here to do, guys?
To get sand.
For what?
For the sandpit.
For the sandpit. We can have a little play in the sand while we're getting some sand for the sandbox. Is this exciting?
Yeah.
You're the king of the castle.
Dad. King of the castle.
Aphrodite, are you a little sandbug? No! Oh, you just threw sand in my hair. Oh my God, sand in my hair. Oh. Well, it's not the worst thing I've had in my hair ever. It's been way worse. Da da da! Oh, you're so cute! Yeah, he loves doing that. So is everybody all lovely and dirty to show that they've been having so much fun? Aphrodite! Oh, did you throw sand in your hair? You're going to love throwing the sand around. We're probably going to have a lot of sand in our house after this. Sand in our hair and sand on our sheets. Bye-bye. Yep, see you later. Bye. Have fun. Bye-bye. Build your own house, find your own food. Less mouths to feed. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Change your own nappies. Jerusalem's got a big job filling the car with sand. Whoa! Wow, what's coming? Yeah, that's something different. Go inside there. Look at these lovely toys that you can find. Wow! That's amazing! Now this is a great day. Wow! They're going to remember this forever. We can take this home. This is a perfect toy for our house. Okay, now we have to let the men go to work, so let's all hop out of there again.
Siihen kun laittaisi vettä vielä täyteen, se olisi kuin allas.
She doesn't want to leave. Oh, we have to leave the toy. Oh, she doesn't want to leave the toy. You have to leave the toy. The man needs his toy back. We found 2 white tables, 6 white chairs, and 4 white beach chairs. So let's take him into the car. Keep going. And there's some beach chairs. They're white ones. Let me have a look in there. See, white beach chairs. Yay! Into the car. This way. Mihinkä se meni? Aphrodite. We're going this way. Into the car. Don't you guys love that sound? Fabulous sound. Into the car we go. I went and paid for them already. No, no more shopping. Let's go. Oh, it's so hard. She wants to push it. Can you push it? Oh. Oh. Good girl. It done. Well done, sweetie. She's going to get it in the car.
And he's sitting.
So we bought all the white furniture they have left. They've got no more left, they said. Oh no, you had a boo-boo. They've got no white left. We took it all. She's so cute when she runs. Yeah, and you're cute also, Shakespeare. Aphrodite! Wow, that was so cool. You should do that again. Don't you go on the floor? We don't need to clean the floors here. No, not Uristan. No, don't do it again.
Why?
He's deliberately falling over. It's, I don't know why.
Should I tell you again?
No, no.
Why is it going to be a face close?